Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss 5 interesting questions which are commonly asked in the industry. We will be solving this question using summarized column in this video, and second part of this video will be solving the same question using summarize and add column function. At the end of this video you will come to know why we need to solve the same question with using summarize and add column. Okay, show you our data model. We have product table, region table, customer table. These are dimension table which is connected to sales transaction table using one-to-many relationship. Go back to our first question. How many customer only purchase once? So we'll go to the sales table. We have customer key column and sales order number column. The question is how many customer, that customer key, how many customer has purchased only one time. Take one example, 11010. This customer 11010 has purchased 4 times. You can see 4 record, but it's a 3 time actually. This is repeating. So 1, 2, 3. 3 time is purchased. But we are only interested customer who purchased 1 time. This is what we just now we see. And we need a table like this, where customer column has to be grouped against each customer. We need a number of purchase done by each customer. That means count of sales order number. For this, for example, 11010 has done 3 times. To achieve this table, we use a summarize column function. One sales customer key column. And we create additional column number of purchase using distinct count function on sales order number. Once we get this table, we need to filter it out for a customer who purchased only one. We are interested only customer who purchased one. By applying filter function, we can achieve this table, and we'll apply counter of function over this table. Then we'll get the result how many customer only purchase once. Go back to the Power BI and we'll do the same over here. We'll create a new table. We'll call it as a one-time customer. Summarize column on sales customer key, and we'll create additional column. Name is number of purchase distinct count on sales order number. Customer purchased one time and more than one time. So we are interested only the customer who purchased one time. To get that, we use a filter function. We'll filter this table using filter function. This is our table, and filter expression is this column. Number of purchase is equal to 1. Number of purchase is equal to 1. Close the parenthesis, we'll get the table what we want. When apply the counter function over this table, counter function count each row, we'll get the result. Counter function is a scalar function, so create a new measure. We call it as one time customer. We need to apply counter function for the result. The table is okay. We need to copy the table. This is our table. Let me copy this table. Counter function asks for the table. We just paste the table what we copied right now, and we have the result ready. 11,619. Customer has purchased only one time. Move back to the next question. How many customer not come back this year? That means lost customer. Whoever purchased before 2022, we call it as a lost customer. First, we need to find the last purchase date for that. Using summarize column, you can see summarize column on sales customer key, and we'll create additional column last purchase days, where max sales order date will give us last purchase date, and this last purchase date should be less than or equal to 2021 12 December 31st. Then we'll get this table. Why 2021? Let me show you. This is our sales table, and you can see the order date. We have order date till 2022 July, and it's starting from July 2019. So that's why we need to filter it out. Purchase, that means their last purchase days before, it should be before 2022. Then we'll call it as a lost customer, because they are not come back on 2022. I have created the measure already, lost customer. This is the one we discussed just now. Let me create another card. Bring this value over here. We have 7,000 107 lost customer. Okay, let's move to the next one. How many new customer we got in current year? In 2022, how many new customer we got it? To get this result, we should know first purchase date, and first purchase date should be in 2022. We'll apply the summarize column function on sales customer, group the customer key, because the question is how many new customer. We need to count the customer, and create additional column for the first purchase date, that is then minimum value of sales order date, give the first purchase date. When we'll filter this first purchase date, where should be the date should be greater than or equal to 2022 Jan 1st, we'll get this table. We'll apply the counter function over this table, we'll get the result. So I already created the new customer, the same one what we discussed just now. Create another card. For the new customer, yes, we have almost same. Below 7,000 customer approximately, we got the 7,000 customer back in 2022. It's good. Okay, go back to the next question. How many repeat customer? Meaning customer who purchased before 2022, that before current year. It can be maybe from the beginning or last year, and they're still and their last purchase date should be current year. That means 2022. Such a customer is called a repeat customer. To achieve this, we should have two columns. One is first purchase date and second one is last purchase date. We already know that first purchase date using min value on sales order date. Last purchase date we can get it by using max on sales order date. And we need to filter this table using two conditions. One is first purchase date should be less than 2022. That means before 2022. And the last purchase date should be after 2022. That is greater than or equal to 2022. I have already created the same one over here. Bring on this value on the card. Okay, around 4,281 customer is our repeat customer. And the last one, average number of product per sale. This time we need to find the per sale, what is the average number of products. So for this sales order 120, we have 3 products. So we need to create a table like this, where sales order number to be grouped, and against sales order number we need to count the number of products. For the 120, you can see 120 we have 3 products. We can use the summarize column on sales order number and create additional column number of products using distinct count of product key column. Once we get this table, we need to apply average function to get the average of this column. We are going to find the average of this column using average function. Average product per sale measure. So let me bring this value to the card. This is 2 product per sale. Per sale we have 2 products when you take average. Now we have answered all our questions and we are displaying it over the card. This finding will be more informative if we will be able to display over any other visuals. For example, put the table, add a country column over there, increase the font value, add one-time customer measure. I am getting error. Let me remove the measure. The reason is when there is a new filter context transition need to be performed. In the card there is no filter context. That's why we are able to see the result. Here we are created a new filter context using country column. We will resolve this problem in the next video using summarize and add column function. If you have any query, please comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.